Thanks for tuning in, and following on from Baystones earlier this month, we decided to take on 2 more Wainwrights, this time in the northwestern fells, taking on Grisedale Pike and Hopegill Head.
We stayed over the night before in the 17th century Pheasant Inn at Bassenthwaite, which offers the perfect base for exploring the Lake District. As with all the Inn Collection hotels, our room was dog friendly and offered everything we needed.
So we're in room 28, just at the bottom of the Wainwright Forest there. Nice, and we're actually separate to the pub and the restaurant, so in this little cottage. Room 28's a family suite. So go up the stairs. So we've got a double bed and bunk beds. But we're kid free tonight, so here we have it. Kid free but not dog free. So we've got a nice little seat there, bunk beds. The wife. Nice double bed. In fact, that's a king size, isn't it? Maybe even super king, that one. And you've got a little desk area. LG TV, I think that's 32, maybe it's 40 inch. Little wardrobe to hang your clothes up. Air dryer, ironing board. There's just a view from the other side there. It's handy if you've got kids, nice little bunk beds. Swing back around, if we look out here, got some lovely views as well. Got the start of Wainwright Forest there. You can look up, we're not far from the Wainwright Bath and Lord's Seat. Let's have a look out this window as well. We've got the roadside, little garden beneath us. The car's just parked over there in the car park. Swing back around and we've got a little bathroom with a shower. But not great for me because I'm 6'3", but I'll do the trick.
At just £107 including breakfast on a Friday night, we felt this was good value for money and would definitely stay again.
Our journey began from a lay-by off the Wainwright Pass near the village of Bassenthwaite. At the small car park we took a right up the steps signposted Grisedale Pike. We're going right at the car park, these steps. We did this last time, full English breakfast before a hike. It ain't good. Already got a view 2 minutes in. Lovely day for climbing. Welcome back to Saltgall's Adventures. Today we're climbing Grisedale Pike and Hopegill Head. Just the 2 of us today, we're kid free, apart from the furry ones. So we'll keep you updated as we go along. Got some cracking views already. Just make out Capel's summit over the top there. Durham Water, Clough Head, the Trig, all the Skiddaw range. Todd.
The wife.
The wife. Bass. And over there you've got Bath. So this is the first stage of Grisedale Pike. We're going to head up now towards the clouds. In the distance you've got snowy peaks. Oh, the second part going up. Wainwright Forest over there. Beautiful day for it. Steep this bit. We're about 1.5 miles in now. Right in amongst it. Definitely a slog this now. Ooh. Well, that's the second stage complete. Ooh, got sweat on now. We're heading up there into the mist. Wainwright Forest down there. You see Lord's Seat and Wainwright summits. And we're heading up this ridge line up there into the clouds, onto the snowy peak. Almost at the top now. Now have a look down. That's the route we're going to be descending. So you've got Force Crag Mine. See some nice waterfalls there in the distance. We're going to come down that track. We'll go way back along the main road back to the village. Just gearing Bex up for these lovely crags. She loves a good crag. Definitely craggy now. Craggy island. Does help when you've got this little mountain goat following you up. Hey Luna, say hello to the camera. And can you believe it? There's a guy in front of us carrying his bike. What would possess you? Look at that. You alright? 0.2 miles left to go. Right in amongst it now. Tell you what, there's snow at the top of here, and I'm sweating the Bristol City's cleaner. Back down. She's doing alright, considering she's scared of heights. Shame for that fog, because we've got some good height now. The top is inside. Starting to snow. You can't even see back down now. Just tried to snow.
Don't think I want to see back down.
Almost there. And it's a whiteout. So you need to put in the comments, is it Grisedale Pike or is it Grisedale Pike? I've heard people say both, so.
Yeah.
I think so.
That's pathetic. All that work for that?
No. At 791 metres, it's not the highest Wainwright summit. However, after the steep ascent and the changing weather, it really felt like you were on top of the world. The camera and drone offer great footage, but until you're stood atop a Wainwright summit, you'll never experience the raw feelings and emotion of the breathtaking scenery and what you have achieved. Right, so where we're off to now? Hopegill Head. Over there in the distance. The nearest pub for Bex, because she's not a fan of heights. We're going to have to get her some hypnotherapy when we get back. So now back up to Grisedale Pike. We're going to be coming back down that valley. First of all, we're going to climb up the Hopegill Crag. And then if you look over the side, the next Wainwright is Hopegill Head, which is over there somewhere. Look at that down there, beautiful. Taking you into Wainwright Forest. So we've just come down from that peak over there. Now we're moving across and going up to that peak. Cracking views though.
Is it the little stone peak there?
Yeah. Back on the ascent again. I can't drop down there. Typical, they missed following us today, but what's this one? Hopegill Pike. Almost there now. This little rocky mound. Look down the other side there. It looks like, I think it's Buttermere or Crummock Water. So we're going to hit the second Wainwright of the day. We've come from that direction, Grisedale Pike up. We're going to go back down Sandhill, back down onto the old mine path. Here we are, Hopegill Pike. Nice celebratory couple of beers cooling off there on the top of Hopegill Head here. Look at this, we just got a sheet of mist. Look at the top. Nice drop back down there. See people ascending from the other side there.
At 770 metres, Hopegill Head offered stunning views of the surrounding peaks, even in the low-lying clouds. And for those who haven't realised, we gave it several names throughout the day until we got it right.
Well, on our way back now, heading over Sandhill. We're going to drop down into the valley along the old mine road. Cracking weather. So we made it down Sandhill, look across, and in the distance, Grisedale Pike. And then we're going to follow this valley all the way back down to the village, past the mine. Descending now, down into the valley. And we're going to come past Crag mine. There's a couple of waterfalls there as well, so it'll be nice to look at the drone up and get a look at them. This looks like a nice steady descent. I think next time we'll come, we'll probably do the Coaldale Horseshoe, which incorporates these peaks as well. But, I don't think time was on our side today. It would have got a bit dark, so we've had a really good day though. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Another 2 Wainwrights ticked off. That's us both now on 52. Coming down now, descending. That's 5 Wainwrights for 2024. Nearly at the end of February now, so steady progress. Back down now. Look at this waterfall and the little mine buildings you've got around it. Actually, it is like Minecraft. Crazy. Almost down to the valley now, and you've got Crag mine there. So we're going to go and have a little bit of investigation around there. See what we can find. Oh, nature. So we made it down to the old mine. Here we are, Crag mine. Crag mine was the last working metal mine in the Lake District. Prior to its final abandonment in 1991, the site was mined for lead and minerals from 1839. It's now a scheduled ancient monument and owned by the National Trust, allowing visitors to discover what was mined and follow the processing of the minerals through the mill plant at certain times of the year. Well, if you watched up to this point, we'd just like to say a huge thanks for your support, and it won't be long until we're back out on our next adventure.
As always, thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.